We're gonna unbox that GLSSWRKS Polarity glass pad in white. Whoa. Let's unbox it, baby.
Hey, FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing the GLSSWRKS Polarity by Tekkusai. Very excited, very excited. Just got this in yesterday. I almost woke up in the middle of the night. Well, I did wake up in the middle of the night, but during that, I almost came down here and recorded the unboxing and play with this a little because I'm very excited for it. Anyways, let's get this on the desk. Yeah, absolutely. Let's get the mouse out of here. Yeah, right there. All right. It comes in a big white box. I also have a black one in the larger size, but it comes. Trying not to spill my Red Bull here. Very nice box. It's like a textured cardboard, very rigid, very nice. Let's see how this opens. Let's see if I can get this on my desk and not fucking break stuff. All right. This looks like it folds open. Is this Velcroed? It's like, I hope I'm not fucking breaking this. No, this is how it goes. Maybe. No, I'm fucking breaking it. God damn it. Literally like prying this nice box apart. How the fuck does this... Oh, maybe this is how it opens. I was right. Oh, I have it upside down. Let's fix that. Ugh. That's confusing. Note that, Tekkusai. All right. This Polarity series on the side, we're going to... God, it's on... Where's the side I fucking... Okay, so like it's got the tab. So where it says Polarity on this front tab, we want to crack that open. Let's see what we got here. We got a nice note. It's holographic. If you check that out, that's wild. It's blocking my light a little. Apologies about that. Yeah, there we go. Pretty cool. Little thank you. You notice the small thing, so do we. Polarity is a surface you stop noticing, just as intended. That's an awesome quote. Good tech should get out of your way. You should not notice it at all. It should just let it be an extension of you. What a cool quote. Good kudos, Tekkusai. GLSSWRKS, whoever put that on there. Good stuff. All right, we got a little... Ooh, damn. Wow. Whoa. Wow, that is... Holy shit. That's nice. Wow. Oh, let me get the box out of here. Okay, you guys see all this stuff. Wow. Holy shit. Oh, man. I should have woke up in the middle of the night for this one. Holy shit. Oh, my God. That is real nice. That's a good feeling. That's a good feeling. Mousepad. What's up with the white balance on my camera? What's going on there? What's going on there? Very bright. I don't understand this. Okay. There we go. I'll fix that for the next video. For the initial impressions of this. Got a nice cleaning cloth. I'll open this. It looks to be softer and more absorbent. Maybe more absorbent than the wall hack ones. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's really nice. That's coming out. Nice. Thank you. I love that. We got mouse skates. GLSSWRKS mouse skates. Okay. Maybe try those. Probably not. We'll see. Let's see how this glides. This is the WL Mouse Squan. Oh, damn. That's actually really controlled. Wow. That feels initially like more controlled than the CR005. That's incredible. Wow, that's really... Where's some... Well, these are dots, right? Okay, let's get the Stormbreaker skates on here. These are glass. Hope this pad's clear. Oh, damn. If I can keep this pad clean, this might be the ticket. Oh, wow. Look at that. Wow. Okay. What are some other... Let's get this JVX. These are like full skates. Ooh, God, it feels good. All right. That's my unboxing video. Because I'm going to go play with this. Yeah. All right. Check you guys in the next one. Tekkusai, this is... You guys can't really see, but there's like lines right here. I'll make sure the lighting's a lot better for my initial impressions and review. This is
Oh, it's fucking incredible.
I can't wait to review it. Wow.
Yeah.
See you guys in the next one.